Hey there, I'm Jennifer Vans, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Parmesan zucchini and corn skillet. Hey guys, we're making a Parmesan zucchini and corn skillet, and now I don't want to hear it. Don't even say it. Corn's not keto. I didn't say corn was keto. I literally did not say corn was keto. So while we're getting that out of the way, corn can be low carb, and this recipe is less than 8 net carbs per serving. So it's definitely good for anyone who wants to follow a low carb diet. Or just eat healthy. It's vegetables. Vegetables are definitely good for you. So when we've got some vegetables here we need to cut up. I've already got a couple of zucchini chopped, so I'm going to cut the rest of this one last zucchini, and I just like to cut it into quarters. So I cut it in half lengthwise and widthwise, and then I cut it in half again lengthwise, and then it makes a little triangles just like that. Then they're easier to eat, bite-sized pieces, easier to cook. Okay, there's our zucchini. I'm going to add it to our bowl. And now I'm going to show you a trick. I'm sure you've probably seen this before, I don't know. But I think it's so handy to cutting corn off the cob. Find a bowl, and then find a little cup that can go upside down inside the bowl that comes up to just about level with the bowl. And then you can just cut the corn off the cob like this without it going everywhere. It just falls right into the bowl. You can also use canned corn for this recipe, but I just think corn on the corn on the cob is, if you can find it like in season and it's sweet, it's so good. Okay, now we've got a large skillet. I'm going to put it over about medium-high heat, and we're going to add a clove of minced garlic along with our corn. And this is 4 ears of corn that we've cut off the cob. If you don't use the corn on the cob, you would want about a large can of corn. Summer's coming, and this is the perfect recipe for a summer picnic. We're going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Corn does not take very long to cook at all. And I'm going to add our 4 zucchini that have been chopped. Got a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Got a half a teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of red pepper flake. So we're going to stir this up. I should have used a bigger skillet, but my bigger skillet is in use. We're going to reduce the heat to low and cover it with a lid, and we're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's finish this up. We're going to stir in 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. That smells so good. And we're going to finish it with some cilantro. Yum. Love cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you just leave it out. Look at that. Look at that. You guys are going to love this recipe. It is super flavorful, but it's light and it's still low carb, even though it's got corn in it. So be sure you check it out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.